Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video you will learn how you can easily add video in Shopify store, and it's really quite easy. So what you need to do is just be on your site, and now you want to click here on add section. Every theme is different and maybe you won't find it here but somewhere else. So what you want to do now is just click here on video, and it will automatically add video here. Okay, and now you have option. So alignment, you can also choose cover image. Let's say that I'm going to add video link, I don't know, song Ocean Man. That's a good song, I like it. I will add it here. Okay, image with the play button. Video height, you can go like also with a small, large, it's going to be big. You can get the heading there. Okay, and if you want you can have cover image. Oh my god, I select, and then you got it. You click save, and I'm going to open the site. Now it loads, so it will need to process, but then I will just click on it and play. You can also try, if you want, to go with some apps. It still loads, damn. And find if there is video background. So that's kind of it. It's still loading, damn. But yeah, this is how you can actually make it. Thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.